Today, I'm gonna adapt a 50mm vintage lens to the Yolocam S7 from Yololiv. That's right. So if you love vintage lenses and you'll love to adapt them to modern pieces, this is the video for you. It's fast and easy. Let's go. This is a webcam called the Yolocam S7 with a micro four thirds sensor. It is a 4K webcam that will not overheat. It's plug and play. It's HDMI, USB-C, audio, everything. Trust me, this thing is one of the most amazing webcams on the market. This will give you a mirrorless look without the mirrorless price. Now at the moment, the Yolocam S7 has the 18mm f1.4 that's also from Yololiv. So all you need is this adapter right here, technically. This is it. This one piece here can make everything happen for you. As you see, it says MD to micro four thirds, and that's just all you need, literally this, and it's not very expensive. So let's do it. So first, we hook this up together, red to red, click that in. There you go, that's all you need. This here is a 50mm, and it goes from 2 to 22. And this is pretty old, had this for a while, and it's a pretty great lens, you know. I really do like it a lot. Love the look of a vintage. But anyway, all you gotta do once you hook those up together, because this is a micro four thirds mount, okay? Just take this off, line up the red with the red, and there you go. That's all you need to do. Now you have a Yolocam S7 with a Minolta vintage 50mm. And you can do this with anything that can accept a micro four thirds system to get a great look. And this is what I love about the Yolocam S7. Not just that you can adapt these, well, pretty much you can adapt any lens you want as far as in a micro four thirds system. It will not overheat with you. I'm telling you, I've let this on by mistake for 2 days. It did nothing. It's still working fine. The autofocus is great on here. Like I said, in the back, you have HDMI, USB-C, and audio. And if you wanted to, you can now put HDMI and USB-C at the same time. But anyway, that's that. And again, you would do the same thing for the 28mm. This is a 28mm. Line them up. That's it. That's how easy it is. Boom. 28mm. So what I did in order to focus on me, I turned this around so that I could see. So I put myself in the position I'm gonna be at, okay? So if I'm gonna be here, looking at that, you gotta play something. If you ain't got nobody to you, if you don't have anybody, then you gotta use what you got. I got this microphone. And I know it's pretty much right here where I'm focused at. So we're gonna use this to focus. So as I'm looking at it, I'm focusing. Now this is the pain in the butt, but that looks like it could be focused. Now, the next time you see me, you're gonna see me through the Yolocam S7 on this 28mm, and then we'll change it to the 50mm. So let me get to that right now. All right, so now you're looking at me through the Yolocam S7 with a vintage lens attached to it, the Minolta MD 28mm. This is what it looks like. These are webcams. You understand? These are webcams. These are not mirrorless cameras. Let's put the 50mm on there. So now you're looking at me through the Yolocam S7 on a 50mm Minolta vintage lens. And that's what I mean. I love the Yolocam S7 system along with this Yolobox system because all together, I'm telling you, they just give you everything that you need. It's a whole powerhouse. You can do events, your recordings, everything. It just helps so much. To me, with the Yolobox Extreme, it just ties everything together. Whether you use the Yolocams or your own cameras, it just really does. But at the end of the day, this was really about adapting a vintage lens to the Yolocam S7 webcam. And this shows you what you can do. You know, we love autofocus lenses, but if you don't have the price for those, you can go and get some vintage lenses, some manual lenses. And if your setup isn't moving a lot and this is pretty much where you are all the time, you set it, forget it, and there it goes. And it's at a good price usually. The reality is you would never know that I shot this with a webcam. But other than that, I just showed you how we can adapt the 28 millimeter or even the 50 millimeter, which is what you're watching me right now on, to the Yolocam S7. So if you love vintage lenses, love to experiment with different type of lenses, you can do it with this webcam at 4K, at 1080, whatever. It's up to you. Yololiv gave you the power. You know what I mean? So if you liked anything that we talked about today, the links are in the description below. I appreciate it if you use it. No extra cost to you. Just helps out the channel a little bit. Other than that, thank you, Yololiv, for creating amazing products. Subscribe, hit the bell on the side so you get notified on time. And like I always say, it is what it is. I'm out, y'all.